What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. This 2022 Alfa Romeo Giulia by ErreErre Fuoriserie is a quadrifoglio with a retro style body kit. Yes, the Turin-based ErreErre Fuoriserie built a special body kit for the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio with a design inspired by the original Giulia from the 60s. Now, this model was quietly unveiled at the Concorso d'Eleganza Auto del Poco Porto Quattro Classic in Sardinia, Italy last weekend, and teasers appeared on the official website while videos and photos of the car were posted online by people that attended the event. Now, the relation to the modern Giulia is obvious from the greenhouse, but pretty much everything else is restyled, taking inspiration from the classic Giulia. The front end adopts a boxier look with a pair of round headlights on each side, which are integrated within the retro style grille alongside the significantly smaller Scudetto grille. Now, the bumper has round intakes and a splitter made of carbon fiber. The bonnet is vented and fenders are protruding from the front doors, creating an opening. Now, the profile is characterized by retro style alloy wheels with 15 small holes, but it is the rear end that stands out the least recognizable compared to the donor car. The LED taillights seem as if they're like sourced from a Mercedes G-Class. And there's a custom tailgate featuring an integrated spoiler that extends to the rear fenders, fading out in the rear doors. Another double spoiler is mounted on the roof, while the rear bumper is boxier and has a large diffuser with dual exhaust pipes in the center. Now, it's not clear if the unique Giulia received any mechanical modifications, but the twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 produces 503 horsepower, 375 kilowatts, 510 PS, and 600 newton-meters, 442 pound-feet of torque in the stock Giulia Quadrifoglio. Now, power is transmitted to the rear axle through an 8-speed automatic with the help of a limited slip differential. And ErreErre Fuoriserie describes the vehicle as not a resto mod, stating that their goal is to combine Italian craftsmanship with the most modern design and construction techniques. Now, there is no word for the cost of this conversion, and I'm not exactly sure if the model will be produced in limited quantities, but either way, it's pretty badass, and I wanted to show it off to you guys today and see what you had to think about it. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you guys think about this non-resto mod retro style Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio? Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings, more people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this Alfa Romeo Giulia by ErreErre Fuoriserie with this retro body. And with that said, if you guys enjoy what I do here and want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch. You want t-shirts, stickers, tank tops, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat, just in case it doesn't make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.